Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Nutty Chest in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Chubby Chipmunk update. Okay, let's get into it guys. As we know that the Chubby Chipmunk update has been dropped in Grow a Garden, and in this update, the admin has added new item called Nutty Chest. And if you want to get this Nutty Chest guys, you need to grow the Chubby Chipmunk in your garden. You can claim the free chipmunk here, and then you can go to your garden and grow it. Okay, and then when the acorn appear, you can try to find the acorn, and it will appear every 20 minutes after the Chubby Chipmunk eat fruits in your garden. Okay, and then you will have chance or possibility to get the Nutty Chest as reward after collecting the acorn. Or you can claim the Nutty Chest here. You can open the reward, and then after you can gain certain weight, you will be able to claim Nutty Chest as reward. For example, this one, I can claim it because I have already grown the chipmunk to 1.75 kilogram, and I'm going to claim it, and as you can see, I got Nutty Chest as my reward. Okay, and to get the acorn or to collect acorn faster, you can trigger the Nutty Beaver by submitting your fruits to the NPC, and it will help you to increase the ability of the Chubby Chipmunk. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get Nutty Chest in Grow a Garden game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!